Hello, boys and girls. It's so lovely to see you. Today I'm not alone. Can you see? This is a brain. And what is it doing? It's doing some exercise. This is what we're going to be doing for this lesson. We're going to exercise our brain by remembering all the sounds we've learned. We've learned 4. And can you remember the first one? Of course you could remember. The first sound was L. L for legs and L for Letterland. And let us go and hear our lovely theme song.
Letterland, Letterland, there could be no better land for meeting a duck, a man with a hat, an orange or two, and a clever old cat. So let's go to Letterland, Letterland, Letterland. Walter Walrus Wetterland meets slithering Sam, a king who can kick, a quarrelsome queen, or make noisy Nick. So let's go to Letterland, let's go to Letterland today.
Hooray! You're back from Letterland. Our next sound is H for Harry Hatman. And he does not like a noise. So we're just gonna whisper and go and see what other words begin with a H. Our first picture is a hammer. Very nice. Next to the hammer is a horse. Ooh, fantastic. And the last picture is a house. Very nice. I'm tired of whispering, so let's go to the next sound and see if we can just use our normal voice there. Oh, beautiful! We are at the sound B. Let us all say together B. Just like a bouncing ball, we can go around and go B. Beautiful. B. Brother. But wait, which letter is a B here that makes the sound B? Let's put our finger on the green dot. Straight line down, up to the middle, and a ball. Correct, that's a B. That makes the sound B. In the middle, finger on the green dot, long line down, up to the tippy top, and a pimple. No, that's not a B. Let's move to the last one. Finger on the green dot, straight line down, up to the middle, and a ball. Correct. We have 2 B's, one on the left and one on the right. You know how to write, you know how to sound out. You are going to be kings and queens of reading. And the next sound is a K. Let's say it together. K. Right on. We hear the sound K in the word kite. What is the next one? King. Lovely. And the last one is a key. That's fantastic. You're so smart. Because you are so smart, we can remember all of these sounds at the same time, right? Yes, you can. The first sound is L. Lovely. The next one is H. Hooray! After we have B. Beautiful. And the last one is K. Well done. Let's do it last time. Finger on L. Finger on H. Next one, B. And the last one is K. Well done, boys and girls. And just like that, we are done. Our brain is super exercised and it's just going to get better and better. We don't have an activity for today. We're just going to relax and let the sounds stay in our brain. Goodbye.